G'day, Emma here, and one of the most popular questions we get is, do I really need to measure how much yam cream I use every time? So we sell two different kinds of yam cream. We sell Anna's and we sell Comfort Cream from a girlfriend, Linda. And so the Linda's cream makes it really, really easy. The dose of this is 2 pumps, and we go 1, 2, and if you look at that, it's a hefty quarter of a teaspoon. And then I simply rub this on either my wrists here, what Linda calls on her back of her label is pulse points, or you can rub it on the neck or your breasts or your stomach or your inner thighs. So I'm simply going to rub this on this arm here. Good stuff. Now this one here is Anna's. Now, this is not a pump pack, and this is where the confusion lies. Is a lot of people say, but I don't want to measure it every day. So I'm actually going to measure it and then show you how big of a lump it makes, and then show you how big I make the lump when I squirt it on myself. So we're going to take this and we're actually going to make 1/8 of a teaspoon. So I'm going to take my paddle pop stick. A paddle pop stick in Australia is for an icy pole. Americans call them icy poles. So as you can see there, that little lump there is what is 1/8 of a teaspoon lump. And if you look at that lump there, let's have a quick look. That's about the same size as Linda's 2 pumps, if you have a look there. So you have the week break, then you have about a week of the small dose, which is that 1/8 of a teaspoon, and then the second half of the last third of your cycle, it's a double dose, so it's 1/4 of a teaspoon. So if I was doing the 1/8 of a teaspoon, and this is actually my personal bottle, and so I'm going to squeeze it out. So that is a perfect lump of the 1/8 of a teaspoon, and the 1/4 of a teaspoon is double that. And so that's how I dose it. I don't measure this. If you want to measure it and then make it level and then scoop it out and get this and kind of make a perfect little pile so you can see how big that lump is. You know, this lump here is about as big as a chickpea. This lump here is about as big as a kidney bean, unsoaked and dry. And that's how I measure. So don't make it complicated. You're better off not stressing about it, putting your lump in twice a day and being consistent than getting overwhelmed, measuring it all the time, then giving up because it takes time to clean it up, it takes time to squirt, it takes time to measure it. You're better off showing up consistently, squirting it on twice a day, and helping your body get your hormones under control.